Are you a woman and you need extra cash? Are you looking for that side hustle? Like you're tired of being broke, but you still want to have time for your children. And for stay-at-home moms, you still want to stay with your children at home. I have been a stay-at-home mom for over 10 years. And trust me when I tell you that I have had my own fair share of being broke. A lot of times, like, you want to do something, but you're unable to do it because you're cash strapped. Have you ever been in the situation where you don't even have $1 in your account? Well, I have suffered that, and it's so frustrating. I have suffered being broke. I have suffered being depressed, and I have suffered being frustrated because of my lack of a source of income. Now, after changing my mindset, which I'll definitely talk to you guys about, and switching up a few things, I have been able to stand by myself independent while being able to still stay at home with my children. I was able to build a YouTube channel from 1,000 subscribers to 13,000 subscribers in 1 month. I was able to grow my Etsy store after another failed Etsy store. And I have been able to start multiple businesses. Hi everyone, welcome to this brand new YouTube channel. My name is Toby and I'm so excited to have you here. I have created this channel to help moms like me earn extra cash and become independent. So if you're a mom like me looking to make extra cash from home, well, you have come to the right place. As a mom myself, I know how challenging it can be to balance family, home, and finances. And that is why I've created this channel, to help moms like you find creative and rewarding ways to earn extra income without sacrificing your perfect family time. So what can you expect from this channel? All right, let me quickly give you an overview. First, we'll cover a range of side hustle opportunities that require little or no experience and investment, to more advanced opportunities that has the potential of growing into a full-time business. We'll dive into each side hustle and I'll provide step-by-step guides, tips and tricks to help you get started and succeed at this business. But that's not all. We'll share time management tips and financial management tips as well. So if you're ready to explore the exciting world of side hustles, money making, goal setting, and time management to start making extra cash from home, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update. And don't forget to leave me a comment to let me know what side hustle you are most interested in or what side hustle you have tried in the past. I can't wait to hear from you as we start this journey together. Remember that every little bit helps, and with the right side hustle, you are on your way to financial independence. Thanks for watching and welcome to Side Hustle Mama. Let's make 2024 the year of financial empowerment and freedom for moms everywhere. See you in the next video.